Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. So for today's video, I will be showing you guys this bracelet here. This is the Rilly Frilly bracelet by Christy 7284 Christy on Instagram, as well as her YouTube channel. So yeah, this is a special video for Christy because it's her birthday. So yeah, this is the bracelet. This is a very unique and fun bracelet to make, and I really like the color that I chose for this here. And yeah, so to make this bracelet you will need a hook. I'm going to be using this 1mm double-ended hook, but you don't really need to use a double-ended hook for this one because you can just pinch the bends and just flip it, because it's not too much of loops on your hook and not tight as well. So yeah, anyway, and then you will need a C-clip to close the bracelet at the end. It could be any clip actually, and then some bands. So for the color combination, since I really like this color combination, so I'm just going to use this color combination again. And yeah, let's just get started. So first you want to grab the cap pin color here. It's going to be this cap pin here, and this band, and this band, and all the way up. So I'm going to use the same color, which is electric purple jelly. Then you want to make a figure 8 and then attach it, so it will be the cap pin. And now you want to grab your next pin, which is going to be this pastel pink here. You want to pull this pin through the cap pin and close. And then you want to grab this zebra here. It's going to be this one and this one, and all the way up. Pull a zebra band through just the first loop and close. And now you can switch side. So since I'm having this thingy on my hook, I'm just going to flip this. If you're using a one-sided hook, you can just pinch this like so, and then take it off the hook, and then you want to flip them and put them back onto your hook like so. And we're going to work on this side, but before we loop anything on this one, you're going to take this off the hook and then pick up the left side of the cap pin and close, just like that. And we're going to take this penguin black here, then this penguin black here, all the way up. Pull a band through the first two loops and pick up the outer one and close. If you're doing it correctly, you should have 5 loops on your hook now. And now you want to grab the coral pink here. Pull this coral pink through just the first 3 loops and then just close. Okay, and now we're not going to loop anything in this part, but we're going to move this very last loop, the furthest one from the tip of your hook. I'm going to move this to the second closest from the tip of your hook, like this. And now you want to take this first loop of the hook and you want to drop this second loop that you crossed before, just like that. And then you want to pick up this that is closest to the hook. It's going to be the right side of the penguin black here, and then you can close. Okay, and now you want to move this second loop to the left to make it the first loop, the closest to the tip of your hook. Then you want to loop another band, which is going to be this pastel pink here. Pull this through just the first loop that you crossed before and close like so. And then you want to grab the penguin black in here. You can use another color, but I'd like to make it penguin black again. You want to pull this through the first 4 loops and close. You should have 3 loops on your hook now, and we can add the purple again. Grabbing my electric purple jelly and pull it through everything and close. And that's for the first section of the Rilly Frilly bracelet. And now we're back to this again. So I'm grabbing my pastel pink, and then I'm going to pull this through both loops and close like so. And then I'm going to grab my zebra, just this one here. You want to pull this through just the first loop and close. Okay, now we're going to switch sides. Since I have this thingy on my hook, I'm just going to flip this. Again, you want to pinch it, take it off the hook, and switch side, and then put those loop back onto your hook. If you're doing this pinch and flip, you're going to make sure that you have those loops correctly. And now we're going to be working on this loop, this pin here. Don't forget to open this part and pick up the left side of the purple band and close. Now you can grab your penguin black again, which will be this here. Pull this through the first 2 loops, pick up the outer one and close. You're going to have 5 loops now, which means you're going to loop this coral pink in the center here. Grabbing my coral pink and pull this through the first 3 loops and close. This is where the tricky parts again. So yeah, take this last loop, or the furthest one from the tip of your hook. You want to cross it over towards your hook and make it the second loop in from the tip of your hook. Then you want to take this first loop off your hook and drop this loop that you crossed before. It's like that. And then you want to pick up this loop here, the closest one to the tip of your hook, and close like so. And then before you loop anything, you want to cross this loop that you picked up before towards your hook again. And then you want to grab another band, which is going to be this pastel pink here. You want to pull this through the first loop, or the loop that you crossed, and close. And now you're going to grab this penguin black here. You want to pull this through the first 4 loops and close. And now we're going back to the purple again. Grab a band, pull this through everything and close. And there you have it. The color is really pretty. I'm still like mesmerized by the color choosing. And yeah, so I'm going to show you guys one last time. So after you looped your purple, you're gonna grab this again, this here and this here, which is pastel pink for me. You want to pull this through both loops and close. Now we're going to loop this zebra band here, this zebra here. Want to pull this zebra through just the first loop and close. And now we're going to work on this side, which means we're going to take these 3 loops of the hook, and you want to make sure that you remember the loops. And then switch side, it's like that. And before we loop anything on this side, you want to take this off the hook, then pick up the left side and close. Then I'm grabbing my penguin black, which is going to be this here and this here. Pull this through the first 2 loops and then pick up the outer loop and close. And now grab your coral pink, this coral pink, pull this through the first 3 loops and just close. Again, this is where the tricky part is. You want to cross this last loop towards the tip of your hook, and you want to drop this by taking off this first loop of the hook and drop it. Then don't forget to pick up this closest loop to the tip of your hook and close like that. And I'm grabbing my pastel pink again, this part, and before you loop this pastel pink, remember to cross this second loop towards the tip of your hook like so, and then pull this through the first loop and close. And now I'm going to loop this part here, and pull this through the first 4 loops and close. Now we're back at the 3 loops again, which means we're going to loop the first band again, which is the electric purple jelly for me. And then you want to pull this through everything and close. And of course you guys can continue to make yours long enough, and I'm going to close mine here. So to close it off, you just need to stop here, like where you close your section with the first band, and just attach your C-clip. And that's it for the bracelet. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and happy birthday to Christy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.